Have you ever felt like your action camera just couldn't keep up with your adventures? Like it was missing that crucial shot, struggling in low light, or just not capturing the sheer intensity of the moment? DJI has been pushing the boundaries of action camera technology. And just as we're getting our hands on the Osmo Action 5, whispers of its successor, the Osmo Action 6, are already circulating. This isn't just another upgrade. It could be a complete reimagining of what an action camera can do. If you're a fan of cutting-edge camera tech, this is one story you won't want to miss. The signs are everywhere. Recent regulatory filings, including an FCC listing in the United States, explicitly mention the DJI Osmo Action 6, without the probe label. This omission hints at a possible shift in DJI's product strategy, perhaps suggesting different tiers of action cameras. These filings, along with similar listings in other regions, strongly suggest a global launch is imminent, likely in early 2025. Think Q1. While the filings don't reveal all the specs, they do offer some tantalizing clues. We can expect Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, for seamless connectivity and fast file transfers. Perhaps the most intriguing detail is the mention of two different battery capacities, 1,770 mAh and 1,950 mAh. This could mean two distinct versions of the Action 6. The larger battery likely aligns with the Action 5 Pro, perhaps for a premium model with advanced features like improved stabilization, higher resolutions, maybe even 6K or 8K, and extended recording capabilities. The smaller battery could be for a standard, more affordable model, focusing on compactness and value. What else can we expect? The Osmo Action 5 was great, but there's always room for improvement. Users have been clamoring for better low-light performance, an area where action cameras often struggle. Improved sensor technology, better night mode algorithms, and enhanced HDR could make the Action 6 a low-light champion. Higher frame rates for super smooth slow motion, like 4K at 120 frames per second or 1080p at 480 frames per second, would be a game-changer for content creators. DJI's Rocksteady stabilization is already impressive, but a next-gen Rocksteady 4.0 could take it to the next level, making shaky footage a thing of the past. And of course, optimized power management alongside the new battery options should mean longer recording times. Pricing is always a guessing game, but if DJI sticks to its usual strategy, the standard Action 6 might land somewhere between $399 and $449, while a Pro version could be closer to $499 to $549. But that's not all. Rumors are swirling about DJI possibly entering the mirrorless camera market. Leaker Andrea Pazzini, who has a solid track record, has hinted at this possibility. While DJI hasn't confirmed anything, their expertise in imaging and stabilization makes this a tantalizing prospect. Imagine a DJI mirrorless camera with 6K or 8K RAW video, their signature D-Log color profile, a high-performance sensor, perhaps a 42MP Micro Four Thirds sensor, L-mount compatibility, and industry-leading stabilization. It could be a serious contender, potentially competing with mid-range models from Sony or Canon. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.